This is how to edit Metafields inside of a product page. You may have noticed through going your product page this new little icon here. And if we click on it, you'll notice that you can select Add Metafield. Well, what is a Metafield? Well, it's a piece of data that you can add to a product page or other products or collections inside of Shopify, and you can add custom data for every single product. So for example, if you wanted to put a shipping date in here and you wanted a different shipping date for every single product, well, how would you go about doing that? Well, with Metafields. So let's build that today as an easy example, but this video will also be applicable for other information that you want to put on your pages. So if we click on, let's do a description here. Oh, I see. The regular Shopify description looks like you can't add Metafields to. So I'm using this block called Flexi. It's from the Shopify App Store. It's $5 a month. And with this block, you'll be able to add Metafield data to it. As you can see here, you can add and edit the description. So if we click on this and then go add Metafield, we'll now be able to create a product Metafield. So let's do YouTube as the name. You can put it at whatever you want. And let's do multi-line text here. We don't need to really worry about a minimum or maximum character count, and this all looks good here. So let's hit save. Actually, let's do storefront as well. Great. Now let's navigate over to our product, and let's go and click on Venture Bar. We'll notice this new Metafield option down at the bottom. So if we click here, we'll be able to add in some text. So let's put shipping December 2024. Great, let's hit save, and then let's go back over to the Shopify theme customizer. Let's add that to our store. So let's click on description. Let's click on insert dynamic source. Oh, we might have to refresh the page here. Reload. So if we click on description and then we go insert dynamic source, you'll notice this YouTube multi-line text. Let's click that. Let's delete the rest of this information. And my apologies, this is from another demo, so I automatically check this box. So let's uncheck it. And we'll notice, perfect, shipping December 2024. So we easily added this Metafield definition. I believe we can also even add text around it. So we can say, your order will, perfect, shipping December 2024. So as you can see, this is a really cool tool that we can use to add dynamic content to different product pages, and hopefully this clarifies how you can use Metafield on a product page.